Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie here, and in this video I will show you how you can create a custom blog in any theme using Shopify's AI called Sidekick. In case you didn't watch the latest Shopify Summer Editions, Shopify made a significant update to their Sidekick AI, and for me one of the best things is that you can create any custom blog inside your theme just by prompting the AI. So let me show you how. I'm now in our demo store and I'm using the Dawn theme, not even the latest release, so the Sidekick can work with any theme. And I will go to customize, and I'm now on our product page. And let's say I would like to feature reviews or UGCs on the product page to boost the conversion. I don't have any app installed to do that, so let's ask Sidekick if he can help. So I came up with a short prompt. I will send it to Sidekick. And Sidekick correctly understood I want to create a new section. So what I need to do is just click on this link. And it takes my original prompt and make it a bit more complex and detailed. So you can review it and adjust if you want to be more specific. But usually it's just fine. And you can just press the purple arrow here and it will start generating the code. It's actually pretty fun to just watch the code being generated. It feels like the Sidekick is essentially super fast coding the blog for you, just as a real developer. So here's the final result. So pretty good, I would say. You can obviously customize it. It gives you all the kind of layout and design options. And you can also obviously manage the reviews and more details. You can rename or copy or duplicate the section as you want. And you can obviously place it anywhere inside your product page. It took 1 minute to Sidekick to generate this section, and I think it looks pretty good. So feel free to play with Sidekick and use it to generate basically any changes you want in your theme, and let me know what you think. Thanks much for watching. And if you like to stay on top of Shopify changes, just subscribe to our channels, and I hope to see you soon.